Hey everyone, if you're facing download problems on remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix issues like download not working, stuck downloads, and failed exports. Users often face issues like download button not responding, image not saving, or export failing after background removal. First, make sure your internet connection is stable, because downloads require a steady connection. A quick refresh can fix temporary glitches that block the download button. If downloads are not working, switch to browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Old browser data can interfere with downloads, so clearing cache and cookies often helps. Ad blockers or browser extensions can sometimes block download scripts. Try downloading your image in incognito mode to avoid browser conflicts. Make sure you're downloading in a supported format like PNG or JPG. If your image is very large, try using a smaller optimized version. Sometimes remove.bg may be slow or temporarily down, so wait and try again later. For smooth downloads, always use updated browsers and stable internet connections. A common mistake is repeatedly clicking download without checking issues first. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix remove.bg download problems in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.